Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Canva tutorial for you where we're gonna showcase the latest feature. In this video we're gonna use a feature called text to image generator. So Canva has integrated DALL-E in their platform now. In order to access it, just click on apps and then click on DALL-E. Click on use in new design and then select whatever template you're looking for. I'll just go with YouTube thumbnail. Alright, so this is the editing page. The AI is very simple. All you need to do is write the text here. For example, let's just say create a mystical forest and then click on generate. Alright, so it has generated two images. So click on whichever you like the most. So let's try something else. Alright, so I've written create a mystical forest and there is a sign that says woods. Click on generate. Alright, so the AI might not generate the correct words. All you have to do is just click on generate again and I'm sure the AI will get it right. So let's try something else. Before I do that, let's just change the color of the background. Yeah, much better. If you need inspirations on writing text prompts, head over to Alexa Art AI and you can search all these beautiful creations made by other users. Right, for example, if I like this, just click on it and then you can see what kind of text prompts they used. You can copy this exact prompt and paste it here in Canva. Click on generate and there you go, it has generated two images for us. Alright, that's so cool. This was the style. The Canva AI has generated this. That's really nice. Alright, so let's try something else. Alright, so let's say I like this picture. Just click on it and click on copy prompt. Go back to Canva and then paste it here. Okay, there you go. Alright, so the image generator is not exactly the same, but you can still use it in your own work. You can get all the text prompt from Lexica Art and then you can use it in your own way. You can also do a little bit of adjustment to your text so that you can generate something unique. Alright, so that was a quick tutorial video for you guys. Make sure you use the new Canva text to image AI feature and then create your own designs. And if you have reached till the end of the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.